In a massive display of gratitude, 3 villages under the Nakshirai Village Committee organized a grand Thanksgiving rally to honor Bubagra Pradyot Manikya for his successful legal battle in the Supreme Court to restore grassroots democracy in Tripura. The rally, with so significant participation from local residents, celebrated the recent Supreme Court verdict ordering the state to conduct long-pending VC elections immediately within the month of June. These elections had been stalled for nearly a decade, leaving tribal village administrations in a state of limbo. Following the apex court's dissatisfaction with previous delays, the judiciary has set a strict timeline to complete the polling process by June. TWF President Manihar Department addressed the media regarding the rally.
Nakshirai bisini andaro jung oro tinta bisina tuye kaca Bubagra no hambaya pernah nibagi jung oro basalaja karon 10 বছর romboy village committee song mari India Chini village committee ni kebang ma unnoyon tay unuti nani kasujak abo ni bagi tini sini Bubagra Supreme Court case file kemane abo tini hearing go saklai jaka je June mas ni bisina bisi election insina tai kebang ma borok bo sai jong mani edisi song mari unglak ne phiaba abo bo mia saklai rijaka je edisi song mari insina abo ni bagai sini Bubagra है तो सब कुछ मुमकिन है Bubagra tongkai mung samanya mani krei abuni bagi sin Bubagra nang khulumaya paro tai Supreme Court non bahai na ang hambaya paro tai Chini Supreme Court to je Chini lawyers team rok no jok to no ang thanks janago tai hambaya paro obahai ke je success khalai phunuk mamani Chini Tripurani TTADC ni je village committee election no khai manchi nai June maso honai je tini saklai jaka abono ruk sawoi Chini whole village committee o tongnai jotto Tripura jekrok belai kheno khatong thokjak belai kheno Bubagra ni upro poito tai bisas tongo je Bubagra manya mani mungsa krui Bubagra aw kubui no Chini Tripura ni bagai bo mukti sokor mani abo magana ya Chini Tripura ni bagai Bubagra kubui no samung tanggui tunggu oh hatai do phana rokha khaina ni bagai no bo samung tang tunggu hlui Tripura rok bisas khaibai sukka buji bai sukka abo ni bagai no Bubagra no pipe playa ang hambaya paro tai Chini Supreme Court no bo hambaya paro tai jotto lawyer team borok no ang hambaya paro
Reported by Biplov from Khoi, Chini Khorang.